Students, last class we studied the sources of modern India. Now we have to learn about the advent of Europeans. After the capture of Constantinople by Turks in AD 1453, the land route between India and Europe was closed. Portugal. Amongst the entire European nation, Portugal was the foremost to make a dynamic attempt to discover a sea route to India. Prince Henry of Portugal, who is commonly known as the Navigator. Prince Henry of Portugal, who is commonly known as Navigator, encouraged his countrymen to take up the adventurous life of exploring the unknown regions of the world. Bartholomew Dias, a Portuguese sailor, reached the southernmost point of Africa in 1487. Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama, another Portuguese sailor, reached the southernmost point of Africa and he continued his journey to Mozambique, from where he sailed to India with the help of an Indian pilot. In 1498, he reached Calicut, where he was cordially received by the King Zamarin, the ruler of Calicut. A second Portuguese navigator, Pedro Alvarez Cabral, sailed towards India, following the route discovered by Vasco da Gama with 13 ships and few hundred soldiers in 1500. On his arrival at Calicut, there arose conflicts between the Portuguese and King Zamarin. Vasco da Gama came to India for the second time in 1501. The third voyage of Vasco da Gama was in 1524. He soon fell ill and in December 1524 he died in Cochin. This is the voyage of Vasco da Gama. Next one is Francisco de Almeida. In 1505, Francisco de Almeida was sent as the first governor of Portuguese possession in India. Almeida had the aim of developing naval power of the Portuguese in India. His policy was known as the Blue Water Policies. Almeida policies was called as Blue Water Policy. Next one is Alfonso de Albuquerque. The real founder of the Portuguese power in India was Alfonso de Albuquerque. He captured Goa from the Sultan of Bijapur in November 1510. In 1515, he established the Portuguese authority over Hormuz in Persian Gulf. He encouraged the marriages of the Portuguese with the Indian women. He maintained friendly relationship with the Vijayanagar Empire. Next one is Nino de Canha, 1529 to 1538. Governor Nino de Canha moved capital from Cochin to Goa in 1530. In 1534, he acquired basin from Bahadur Shah of Gujarat. In 1537, the Portuguese occupied Diu. Later, he wrested dormant from the local chiefs of Gujarat. In 1548, they occupied Salsette. In 17th century, Portuguese power began to decline to the Dutch, and by 1739, the Portuguese pockets began to confine to Goa, Diu and Daman. Thank you, students.